Yamwache mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam so na yapo mwacha osenne kase no achare kakra na yadani ite kutegwa sene nkwanshense menenso de befa mu maye ensam no ne todwa mu bi ya wobeti ni Rastus Asarodonko na ebo eye Legon law student abaso se ne won so de won ho ahye galamse kun no emu no de to amanyofo se wonya se wodo ho fodofore mu no eno ho nsam no ye de bebro ye bekọ ahwea so Paramount Chief ya wo ho nso Science and Tech and Technology Fair wapa ho ntoma wo atoye North and as a Western North mantam no emu se be yesuafo ebenya so mfaso no ne nsem bi na no pay me de browse Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTuber Adom TV2 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bientie se den samni chemu no etie environmental journalist Rastus Asarodonko wo multimedia adwumaimu ene wo Bo University of Ghana Law School for no International Human Rights Law class 2025 for abasopa so do ho ahyemu bie bodawuro afa galamse ho ne ho sunsan so bone wo yeso eno achi nso won mo sra manyofo wonya so wadan na manyo nsem no ne hwe emfa no kura ntodua no kura da na boa yen se o man Adom kase etwaso
nia eye law students o maye no ebura adwene ne ntiase so ene Ghana ye nyina ye dan ye ne afri galamse ho but eyade bia edi nya ene pa galamse no de nti ayenti bia ko ayenti minjai no ne nyina ne se aban mu mpanyimfo amanyofo bi ensa hyehyase a ebinum wom a omo ye adwuma ene ya me no gina hai ye wo forest reserves bi wo ho a yenim se eye amanyofo bi a omo wa ban mu a omo wotumi yi ene hye ho a omo ye adwuma se saade no anyaye a aban aku ahodo te se Minerals Commission EPA enom ne ade Water Resources Commission omo ntimi nya omo adwuma
Enwachi, Associate Professor Kwadwo Appiah Atua, ya wono ewo School of Law, enso so de to just say.
Nsi wa, sisi ano bibiti se oma petitions, oma na campus nyina ma nipa bebre atro se omutia galamse no. Nti ye kan nyina bom, ya ye bi nso online, ayenya ye nyina boye ya more than 6,000 signatures. Nti ye kan nyina bom, ne ye de akọ aban ho, ne de bi akọ parliament, ene ade se ne students na kani. Mobile Hoden, it be a political parties no so. Senebeya, your manifestos near there. Sani money in a bum. Na yet 2 and a more for galamse when I hear to me a tutu as if you man.
My Casiano, so na Paramount Chief for no was a we so traditional area ye or Jaho ya OJB or Tosumi no. Ne Ghana Education Service and Ashanti Gold BBN Limited for Akaunwa Buma Power Science and Tech Fair. Ya botayene se wonde eboa ewo science technology engineering ene maths mu ewo school for year Western North mantam ne mu
the team of Papa was at Medium sending what you say empowering tomorrow innovators today. There's a say name say science in the crowd mind or mind be at science anymore or man and quenim. They say say utimima mabunu and I say school for to me enya a body at I friend of science and technology. I say no wachana and I say if you work on adibia bia no ebekoyi so omo wadim die science mu and technology mu eboa ema oma no ekonanim.
General Manager wada Asante Gold Corporation ano Steven Asante Amoa nimdie enetai oje ahoho Science and Tech Fair no echi wachire mu se Asante Gold Corporation eni ajepa se wonum enya kwanya wo ba beso se adwumadi no asene.
At Asante Gold Corporation, we firmly believe in the transformative power of education. Our operations at Cherano and BBN are more than just mining activities. They represent our dedication to fostering sustainable development and creating opportunities for the youth in our communities. By investing in education, we invest in the future. ensuring that the next generation is equipped with the knowledge and skill necessary to drive in
the Kasiano so na kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama ye Franka Tunima NP NDC amanyokuo no na wose na ye pass ye kanema mpani John Evans at Mills ni nimdeɛ ne nyansa woduo ni nyinaa no ene ye ka sade atwamu nanso sabre yi eye bra ye hia se omaye betumi aboa yen ene NDC JEA Mills Memorial Heritage eye ne 12th anniversary ya won ade hweren ekogu ne naso wasumdwe park na kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama den semi etudwa
that we have to make reference to our dear former president in the past tense, especially at this time when his vision, his direction, and his values, which he had in abundance and which Ghana so desperately needs, are in such short supply in our country today. My boss, Professor Mills, was a selfless leader. He prioritized the needs of the nation over his personal and any political gain, unlike the situation we see in Ghana today.
Chairman Emma NDC Amanyoko Johnson Esedun Ketia enso edi tudwa se project awodo bi atamos kanema mpeni a wenya ne baby eko o hya ase no MPP Amanyoko yi ebaaye no wo mogya ni nyina ato enu nti no manfo enhwe nto aba ne mom wo beba beto aso.
He left us a legacy of a new president doing everything to continue the projects, ongoing projects that are left over at the predecessor. The haircuts we are suffering. If we had listened to Professor Mills, I'm not sure we will be there. Because refusing to continue the projects of predecessor government means that all the monies invested in those projects have simply
Adom TV
gone.
Badwam Kasia na hana bema kwan na no pay ye DSC ni ada wase emre ni adaje kwaso a wadaroma na ne yentina fe ne yede de obonkrata no ene de online stories abanso yede twaso ma wo rade ho so mfa nko se wo pie dia ne mum wo share Facebook/Adom TV Extra ebe yenda na se YouTube Adom TV Tube ye kwaba.